Forget everything you think you know about boring family SUVs, because the all-new 2025 Subaru Forester is here to challenge the competition with a completely redesigned package that actually makes sense. Starting at just $31,415, this isn't your typical economy compact SUV. This is Subaru's answer to the Honda CR-V and Toyota RAV4, but with one crucial difference that sets it apart from every single competitor in this crowded segment. Standard all-wheel drive. While other manufacturers charge you extra for all-wheel drive or don't offer it at all, every single Forester comes with Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive system. That's not just marketing speak. That's real capability that kicks in automatically when you need it most. Under the hood sits a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter flat-4 engine producing 180 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque. Now, those numbers might not sound earth-shattering, but here's what matters. This engine has been completely reworked for 2025. Peak torque now arrives at 3,700 RPM instead of 5,400, giving you that usable power exactly when you need it most during daily driving. The real game-changer, though, is the new hybrid option. For the first time ever, you can get a Forester hybrid that bumps power up to 194 horsepower while delivering an impressive 35 miles per gallon combined. That's a significant jump from the regular model's 28 to 29 mpg rating. Inside, Subaru has completely modernized the experience. The sport trim I'm looking at today features an 11.6-inch touchscreen that's actually intuitive to use, heated front seats, and what might be the best visibility in the entire compact SUV class. Those massive windows and thin pillars give you a commanding view of everything around you. Speaking of space, cargo capacity hits 29.6 cubic feet behind the rear seats, expanding to 74.4 cubic feet when you fold them down. That's serious utility for weekend adventures or major shopping trips. But here's where the Forester really shines. It's built for real-world adventures. 8.7 inches of ground clearance means you can tackle trails that would scrape the bumpers off most competitors. Hill descent control, torque vectoring, and that standard AWD system give you confidence whether you're heading to the ski slopes or navigating a muddy campground. The driving experience has been refined too. Subaru borrowed the dual-pinion electronic power steering from the performance-focused WRX, making the Forester more responsive than before. It's not sporty in the traditional sense, but it feels planted and confident on winding roads. Pricing remains one of the Forester's strongest selling points. The base model starts at $31,415, while the top-spec touring trim caps out at just over $40,000. That's competitive pricing that undercuts some rivals while offering more standard equipment. Kelley Blue Book suggests you can actually pay between $500 and $2,500 less than MSRP depending on the trim, making this an even better value proposition. Consumer Reports gives the 2025 Forester strong reliability ratings, and here's a statistic that speaks volumes. 96% of Forester all-wheel drive compact SUVs sold in the last 10 years are still on the road today. That beats the Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, and virtually every other competitor in terms of longevity. The bottom line, if you need a practical family SUV that can handle real-world adventures without breaking the bank, the 2025 Subaru Forester deserves serious consideration. It may not be the flashiest option in the segment, but it's arguably the most capable and reliable. The hybrid version makes even more sense if fuel economy matters to you, offering that 35 mpg rating while adding more power and a quieter driving experience. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.